So we are going to the farm. Oh my gosh, it's so good driving a big car. That right there is me.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm right here driving my dad's whip as you can see. So we are going to the farm. We're just gonna check up the farm. You know, there's really nothing to do, but we just want to go check the farm. My car is very small, so I couldn't really use my car. So my dad gave me his whip. He's like, you can use my whip, you know, can use my whip to go to the farm. For someone like me who grew up in the village, these are the roads we are used to. We actually have no issue driving in roads like this. This car is meant for this road, so we are not having any issue at all. But even with my small car, I can actually drive in this road. I've helped a lot of people who have gotten stuck in sand. You know, they would call me, I'd remove their car, like drive it out and so on. So yeah, we are enjoying ourselves. You know, it's so comfortable. I'm loving it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes.
Hi guys, so guys, I came back to where I grew up. If you can look at this surrounding, you know, this is where I used to come and eat wild berries and dig some wild, I don't know if it's some wild roots, like, you know, we used to call it Mamuimbo and so on. It's so good to be here and be back at this place again. So I'm gonna take you to a place. It's a swamp. You call it a swamp, ne? Yeah, I'm gonna take you to a swamp where we used to like swim when we were little kids, and then I'm gonna show you some berries as well that we used to eat. So like I told you, I'm driving my dad's whip. Oh my gosh, it's so good driving a big car. So let's go guys. Follow me to the swamp.
No mpondo daddy.
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at them. If you know this, what do you call it in your language? Do you have it? Do you eat it? You know, it will be interesting to hear from you guys who are from different countries, you know, of Africa.
But it's dry.
Now it's dry. Is it really a swamp? It is dry. If it's not a swamp, you should correct me in the video. So it's very dry, but during the rainy season, there's usually water here. So now, there's just mud. You know? And this mud can actually be used to build houses as well.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe?
Hello my darling, so we are at the farm now. I'm gonna show you a farmhouse in a minute, but before we go there, I just want to take you through the tour of the farm. Actually cattle kraals, cattle as well as goats. The goats are not here. I guess they are somewhere grazing or something. I can see like we have small sheep. They also have sheep. Is it sheep and or what do you call it?
It's a sheep and
We have this different kind of breed. I don't know if you can see it. They are running away from us. They are just baby sheep. Look at them. So most of them, I guess, they have gone to graze.
there are some of them. Some may be still.
Some may be grazing somewhere,
House.
and some are somewhere. These ones are probably just resting a bit. And then we've got the tap right there for water.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end.
So guys, this is the farmhouse. You know, sometimes my dad usually comes here just to come chill, look after the animals. What is the name of the dog?
I don't know.
You know?
It's not the other father. Moro.
So this is the farmhouse. Guys, so this is the sitting room of the farmhouse. Very small.
Just bring the old ones here.
Is this a kitchen?
Yeah, that's supposed to be the kitchen.
So this is supposed to be the kitchen.
There's a bathroom here.
And then bathroom is outside, isn't it outside?
There are two, one inside, one outside.
Oh, and here is the bathroom.
The inside one is here.
Here is the bathroom. And there are 3 rooms here. I don't know, I think the kids sleep here. Look at our pictures, guys. Oh my gosh. That right there is me. This is my brother. Look at me. That on top. That's me. This is my brother. This is my dad. This is mom and dad.
This is
And then that's my dad. And this is my little sister.
what?
My other little sister. Oh my gosh. Look at my picture, you guys. Look at me. Woo. Look at my brother. My sister. Our firstborn. My mom. And then this is...
I graduated.
I think this is me and my mom. This is me and my mom. Then that's my dad when he graduated. Oh my god. Look at all these pictures, guys. Our journey doesn't end here, guys. So we want to visit my brother. So we are proceeding to my brother's house. It's a bit further in front. So along our way, we want to stop and eat some berries. You know, we just want to pass time, you know, remind ourselves of the way we used to do things when we were young. I mean, we missed this kind of life.
Tell me, oh, will you believe?
And so, my darlings, this is us arriving at my brother's house. My brother's house is a very typical Kwangali homestead. So I'm going to leave this video for the next one. I'm going to end here. In my next video, I'll be showing you the typical homestead of the Kwangalis. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.